Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove buzzing and status noise from microphone on Windows 11. And for this we go to Start and we click on Settings. And then right now we go to System. Click on Sound. And right now the first thing that you need to do is play with the input volume. First of all, we need to select the correct mic, so make sure that your mic is the correct one. And then what you need to do is put your volume higher or lower. And then, once you did that, go to Voice Recorder, just right here. Then record your voice just with this. Then, please play it again. And then you can check if you have still that noise in your microphone. So this is the first way how to do this. The second way is go to More Sound System, go to Recording, and then go to Microphone, click on Properties. And then right here we want to go to Advanced and make sure that you are using the DVD quality, because that is the best way how to get the best quality from your microphone. Also at Advanced you have here Enable Audio Enhancements. Make sure that you maybe the buzzing and status noise got fixed right now. Then the last thing that we can do is go to Device Manager. Then click on Device Manager. And then right here we go to our Audio and Sound tab. So let's see, we go here to Audio Inputs and Outputs. Go to your microphone. Right mouse click on your microphone, update driver, search automatically for updates, and then the best drivers for your device are already installed. And when you don't have the best driver for your microphone, he will automatically install that for you. So these are 3 solutions how to solve this problem. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.